side. We'll fold it in half across the diagonal, and we open it, and we fold it on the other diagonal. Then when we fold this corner up, and we will fold this corner up and open. Now we have all our folding marks. Then we bring this corner to meet this corner at the top, following our marking lines, and then we do the same with this marking line to meet the corner at the other side. And then we do the same on this side. Both corners meet at bottom and on the side. We need to make sure these ones are at the bottom and that's at the top, and we fold the corner in and we fold the other corner in, and same on the other side. That's how it should look. Now we will open our fold and bring it up, and flatten. And we will do the same on the other side. Now we will fold in what is going to be the legs. Same here, this corner comes in. We flip it, corner comes in, and the same in here. This is how it should look so far. Now we need to bend the legs up. We start with one at a time, and then we unfold, open, and fold up. Do the same on the other side. This comes up, open, unfold, and this has to come up here. Now we can give it a little head, open the wings, and done.